Android Auto demo for Honda Crosstour 2013 to 2019. Honda Crosstour and Acura MDX share 100% identical screens. Honda Accord not equipped with the factory navigation or dual screen will have to use the external remote that mounts on the steering wheel. It's a unibody or external remote that mounts on the steering wheel, and it's instead of the joystick you will use this mounted remote on the steering wheel, and it looks like 100% factory. So if you look at it, due to the unibody design, it's one piece and it sits like original on the steering wheel, and it doesn't move when you press on the buttons because the way it's designed. In the back over here, it's designed to push against the steering wheel because of its shape. So all the cars, Honda Accord without second screen, will have to use this remote. In this video, Apple CarPlay. Press and hold the back button, press enter, and you're going to see the Apple CarPlay on the screen. Control with the joystick. You got all the apps, Google Maps over here. You got Waze, Tuner Radio, and all the other apps. You got many pages. In this video, Android Auto. Press and hold the back button. Select with the joystick Apple CarPlay Android Auto. Hit enter, and there you go. You got your Android Auto, all control with the factory joystick, just like 100% original. You can change all the features. Go into the audio. Open the menu by pushing left, closing by pushing right. Going back to the maps. 100% original Android Auto. In this video, HDMI mirroring. HDMI mirroring demo. Press and hold the back button. Go on to HDMI, select it, hit enter, and there you go. You have your Netflix. It says now playing on your TV. And you have the Netflix on the screen, or you can mirror the entire phone. Whatever you see on your phone will show here, iPhone and Android. To watch complete video, please click the video link on the right hand side. To subscribe to this channel, please click on the logo on the left hand side. To visit the website, please click the logo in the middle. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel, please leave a comment, and please share with your friends.